Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Zaz and Tarot Space. Today we will see what the month of April 2023 is bringing for Scorpio natives. So let us pull out your cards first. April 2023 for Scorpio. One, two, three, and four. So that's four. Okay, one, two, and three. And then we have one more card to pull out from this deck. So let us look at what your cards have to say. Elephant spirit, learn from the past. Okay, that's your main card. Knight of Swords, the Tower card, Six of Wands, Four of Cups. Okay, the Sky card, Compromise, the Dream, Transformation. See a lot of volatile energy here. Death, rebirth, Ten of Wands, and Eight of Pentacles. Okay. Scorpio. Scorpio is the sign governed by Mars. Scorpio is also about major changes and transformations. April seems to be a very heavy month for you, Scorpio. Again, I see a lot of transformations here. I also see with the Elephant Spirit card here, this is going to be a month where overall there may be a lot of shedding of the old stuff, where you may feel that things are no longer serving you, especially things that you have been doing in the past, things like usual routines, traditional things, the methodology that you have been following in the past, which is no longer serving you. This is the time to really rethink what you can do about it. If it is not serving you now, then what are you going to do about it now? Because somewhere or the other, the elephant spirit card says that now you need to rethink that whatever you have been doing until now, it may have served you in the past, but now it has somewhere or the other stopped serving you. It is not helping you any longer. It is not helping you move forward in life. It is not in accordance with your today's lifestyle, or it is not helping you with your goals today. What are you going to do about those things now? You need to shed old ways, modify old ways, old patterns. They served you in the past, they are not helping you today. So, this is the month which will make you question a lot of things. And with the death card here, I see a potential of you releasing these things and allowing new tomorrow to come to you, a new future, a new brighter future to come into you. This is going to be a tough month for you, Scorpio. It is not going to be an easy month. With such strong cards here, the Elephant Spirit, the Tower, Death and Rebirth card, this is going to be a tough month, and this is going to be a month where you may feel that you are overloaded, overburdened. It is too much to handle. It is difficult and tough. But then you will be able to see a brighter tomorrow by shedding all that is burdening you today and not serving you. See, with the Ten of Wands here, it's an unnecessary burden that you are carrying. It is not helping you today. And this is the time to learn new skills, learn new ways of doing things, upgrade yourself in every area of life, whether it be your work, whether it be your personal life, finances. The aim is to find new ways of doing things, or maybe find new goals, new passions. Interestingly, with the Death and Rebirth card here, reflecting your exterior world, and then the Transformation card here. So whatever's going outside and around you will also happen inside you. You will see, you will feel that your thought process is changing, how you feel about things is changing, going rapid transformations, and you are releasing how your old patterns of perceiving things, thinking about things, even your old feelings will undergo a rapid change. So it may feel like a very heavy month for you, but then sky is the limit. And somewhere or the other, this is also the card which gives you that special message. And we will come back to this in a bit, but yes, sky is the limit. And with the Dream card here and the Compromise card here, somewhere the cards are saying that you do not need to limit yourself by, should I say, hold yourself back. You don't need to hold yourself back. You don't need to allow all that is not serving you to hold yourself back. You don't need to compromise. Be full-fledged. Follow your dreams. Follow your dreams. Dream the big dream. And you will be able to do that. You will be able to believe in new things. You will shed old beliefs and old dreams this month. And you will allow new dreams to kind of let you, pull you forward into a new, brighter future. Obviously, it will be a heavy month. But do not allow your heart, your mind to tell you that there can be a sneaky way of doing things. Be upfront about it. Okay? Now, let's look at the different areas of your life. With the Knight of Swords, you will definitely be full of ideas, full of thoughts, full of brilliant communication. You will be powerful when it comes to your mind. Transformations will be happening internally, and you will be able to really take it forward mentally. Have that mental energy, the mental force that is needed to move forward through these transformations. You will allow your thoughts to lead you to new and brighter skies, to a brighter future. You will have new ideas to help you forward. And you will not be scared to talk about it. You will be open and upfront that this is what I think, this is what I want to do, this is how I'm changing things, and this is how I want to proceed with things. You will be vocal about it, very vocal. Now, in place of work, your career card is the Tower card, Scorpio. This is again going to be a very, very challenging month in terms of your career. Some of you may actually feel that things are completely kind of getting shattered, maybe losing a job, changing your job, maybe changing your career completely, changing your course, your work course, or maybe getting to know something about your work which suddenly makes you feel that, oh my God, this is too much for me to handle, and I really need to build things afresh. Very, very challenging times, but then also very enlightening times in terms of work and career. The good part is that all that was negative in the past will be wiped out, and you can start afresh in terms of your career, in terms of your work and business. Some of you may actually feel that you suddenly know something which you didn't know earlier with regards to your workplace, your maybe team members, or maybe how you've been working. It may all suddenly undergo transformation. So I see a lot of transformative energy here. Now, your marital life and your love life has the Six of Wands, which is a fantastic card. This is one place where you are gonna enjoy all the love that you get. You will enjoy being loved, being in the limelight. You will feel celebrated. You will feel like, okay, this is the way to go. Fantastic month for career, for your love life and for your married life. Finances. Four of Cups. You are not going to take too much interest there. I think that the other parts of your life, your inner transformations, inner journey, mental transformation, mental journey, personal life, and career life are going to be so hectic that you may not really be bothered about your finances or not be satisfied about them, either way. So you're going to kind of turn away from them, not really take too much interest in them. And your last card is the special card from, this is the divine guidance. And for that you have drawn out the Sky card, which is again a beautiful card because it tells you that sky is the limit. Be expansive. Be positive. Go and believe in yourselves. See, look at this, the way you have received skies in this reading. Death, rebirth, skies. Knight of Swords, skies. So it's about how you will allow your thoughts to lead you forward into a very expansive area of life where you will feel your life is expanding, is getting bolder, is fulfilling you more, it is not restricting you. You will be breaking a lot of old patterns here. I see a lot of old things being shed. And whenever old things are shed, it can be painful. So be prepared for the pain that might accompany this month, but then be open to all the new possibilities. It'll open a completely new sky for you, Scorpio. So do have a strong month ahead. Take care of yourselves. Bye.